Forget basic hairstyle for a second. If you want something bold that makes people look twice, you need to see this Mohawk braided hairstyle. Before you book your next salon appointment, check out this braided Mohawk. This style gives you that perfect mix of super neat sides and big beautiful volume right on the top. Hey guys, welcome to Umalos. You are super welcome to this channel. If this is your first time, you are welcome. Today's video we are talking about braided mohawk hairstyle to inspire you for your next visit in the salon. The best part about mohawk is how it shows off your face. The sides are braided down flat. You can do simple cornrows, clean stitch braids, or even flat tweed. That neatness on the sides automatically make your face pop. Then for the middle part, you can do whatever you like. If you love a dramatic look, go for long, thick braids or locks gathered down the center. If you prefer a softer vibe, you can use coily hair or a fluffy afro puff to give it some bounce and height. It's also an amazing hairstyle because you aren't touching or styling your hair every single day. Just make sure your braider isn't pulling your edges too tight so your hairline stays healthy and full. To keep this braided mohawk looking fresh and neat for weeks, do well to oil your scalp every few days. Wrap it with a satin scarf before bed and use a little hair mousse to tame any frizz. You can as well use your edge control to prevent your baby hairs from flyaways. Save this for your next salon trip. If you found this video helpful, do well to screenshot the style you like. Which of these braided mohawk are you going for? Are you going with a natural black or you're trying a bold color? Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Which of these braided mohawk are you going for? Are you going with a natural black or you're trying a bold color? Thank you for watching, and I will see you